get healthy with Hauterfly along with Nestlé A+. Today we'll be making some yogurt pops using Nestlé A+, Grekyo Yogurt along with some fresh berries, and without wasting any more time, let's begin. So start off by taking a bowl and adding some fresh fruits to it. Now add the Grekyo yogurt to this. Now pour this mixture into a popsicle mold. So if you don't want to use the mixture as such, put a few fruits at the base of the mold and add the plain yogurt to it. So if you don't have any fresh fruits, you can just use a Nestlé A+ Grekyo yogurt. I personally love the mango flavor, and I can just use this in the mold and freeze the molds for 5 to 7 hours. And now you just need to demold them. I use this banana paper leaf, but you can also use some aluminum mold or any plastic mold that you can find. I love to keep a batch of these in the fridge at all times, and it's extremely easy to satisfy your sweet tooth even in the middle of the night without an ounce of guilt. I hope you enjoyed watching this episode, and stay tuned for more videos just like this on Hauterfly. Until next time, bye!